Hey, it's the Greenwich Contractor, and we're here on Mason Street working on a commercial project. What we were doing on this one was what we thought would be a simple replacement of a catch basin in a parking lot behind a commercial building. This is Brown Harris Stevens real estate office. This is an old dilapidated catch basin collecting a lot of water from this parking lot, but as it turns out, Mason Street has a very, very high water table. So the commercial building is running pumps, 2 pumps simultaneously to continuously bail the basement. Guess where that water goes? Into this basin. So we had to pull off a real magic trick on this one. We had to pause the pumps in the basement and hurry up and work quick to do our efforts in the driveway, but this was a multi-day job. So we had to toggle on and off with the pumps inside the building while running pumps outside. Got a little tricky, got a little frustrating, nothing we could not handle, and great success today. We just wrapped the job. We were able to get a gigantic, oversized precast catch basin in here, not without a lot of effort. What we found was when we pulled the old box out, which was a lot of loose brick and mortar, we found ourselves standing on a bunch of reinforced concrete. That concrete was stubborn, had steel rebar throughout, and we had to work by hand because the box was too tight for the machine bucket. So the guys were in there cutting and breaking and chipping and hammering, piece by piece, section by section. We were able to saw cut and haul everything out of here. Dropped the basin in today, worked with some hydraulic cement and got everything positioned in place. We got a real nice oversized precast cast iron grate here. The property manager's thrilled. This was as large as I could do on the box and on the grate without going double, and double would have been overkill. We also have a number of discharge pipes that enter this basin and an outflow pipe to send the water out. A little bit complicated. Things were on 45 degrees, plugging into different facets of the box, so we had to do a lot of customization. We were able to knock it out. Everything looks great, and now we have 5.5 foot depth on this basin. We went from a shallow 3.5 to an additional 2 feet. 5.5, and we're 2.5 feet by 4 feet on the open grate. Big success. I'm very satisfied with the way this one turned out.